Right, so one product that was missing from the September event lineup that was heavily rumored was AirPods 3, and of course now you may be wondering, where exactly are they? Well, we have an update from Digitimes regarding the production of AirPods 3, so let's delve into exactly when we can expect AirPods 3 to launch. But first, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumors, and with that being said, let's just tuck in. Right, so delving in, Digitimes says production for AirPods 3 has been slow, and so I'm assuming that's why we did not see them at the September event. Now, yes, I know some of you guys might say the Apple Watch is also facing production issues, but that did not stop Apple from announcing the product at the September event, and so why could they not do the same for AirPods 3? Well, like I've said in previous videos, Apple rarely releases new AirPods on stage. In fact, the last AirPods refresh we saw on stage were the OG ones back in 2016. Every other refresh has been done via press release, and so I'm assuming Apple's going to do the same with AirPods 3. But of course, coming back to the Apple Watch, that's nearly always released in September, and so even with the production issues, it's best that Apple still goes ahead with the September announcements, since they've been doing that for years now. Now, coming back to the AirPods, I know some may say that we could see them at the October event, but I don't see Apple pairing the regular AirPods with the Pro line of MacBooks. That makes no sense. If anything, it made sense to release AirPods 3 alongside the iPhone and the Apple Watch, since obviously AirPods and the Apple Watch are a key accessory to the iPhone, so I do not see AirPods 3 sharing space with the MacBooks at this Mac event. And so yes, I think Apple's going to randomly drop AirPods via press release between now and the end of the year. In fact, since AirPods Max was the Christmas surprise last year, I could see AirPods 3 following suit and being the Christmas surprise for this year. And it would make sense for Apple to release it in December because there will be many parents shopping for a Christmas present for their kids, and AirPods 3 would be perfect for the kids to flex on those broke boys. Anyways, jokes aside, I think this does make sense, and considering these are already in production, I doubt the release is gonna be months away, so keep your eyes peeled, and as soon as Apple can fix the minor setbacks with the production of these AirPods, they should pretty much be ready for release. Now, as a quick refresher, AirPods 3 are going to be a mix between AirPods Pro and AirPods 2. So you have the universal fit that everyone loves with AirPods 2, but with the sound quality, the pressure vents, and the spatial audio from AirPods Pro. The case is also going to be slightly smaller. We're going to see better battery life, wireless charging as standard, and all this for maybe $150, which in my opinion sounds like a pretty solid deal. Anyways, tell me in the comments below what are your predictions for the release of AirPods 3. Anyways, thank you for watching guys, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumors. Check out the video in the icon above on details regarding the iPad Pro M2, and on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya peeps!